Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.3 question number 4. Starting from -1 into 5, write various products showing some pattern to show -1 into -1 is equal to 1. Right? Let us solve the problem. In a number line, first if we write a number line here, if we draw a number line here, this is, suppose this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 4 and this is 5, and here also -1, minus, this is -1, -1, -2, like this, right? Now here starting from -1 into 5, here when multiplying -1 into 5 is equal to, we are getting -5. The same way, first is 5, that is 4, that is -1 into 4, that comes to -4, right? Next one is -1 into 3 is equal to -3. Then -1 into 2 is equal to -2. And -1, if we follow the number line, after 2 it is 1. -1 into 1 is equal to -1. After that, after 1 it is 0. -1 into 0 is equal to 0, right? After 0 it is -1, therefore -1 into -1 is equal to 1 into is 1 and minus into minus is +1, right? That means here we find it is a pattern. Here is sign it is decreasing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1. In this case, it is decreasing here, right? This number, right, is decreasing order. This is in decreasing order. Decreasing order. In this pattern, you see here -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1. In this case, it is increasing order. Is in increasing order. This is the pattern, right? Increasing order. Increasing order. We can also find an pattern like this. If we add here, it is -5, -4, -3, -2, 1 and 0. Here it is -5. Therefore here you can write another order, another pattern, that is -5 can be written as -6, -6 plus 1, right? Here -4 can be written as -5 plus 1. This can be written as -4 plus 1, and this can be written as -3 plus 1. This can be written as -2 plus 1 plus 1. This can be written as -1 plus 1, and it is -1 plus 1, that is 0. And here you can write minus 1, after minus 1, 0, then 1, then 2, minus 1, here we find that is minus 2 minus 1 plus 1, it is 0, right. Here also you are finding a pattern. After that, here also you are getting minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1. That means we are getting another pattern. Here you see this one is fixed, this value is fixed in the right side, it has fixed value, fixed or constant you can say. This value is fixed, or you can say it as constant. This can be another pattern, right? Right? And here you see minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. And here in this case, it is in increasing order. It is in increasing order. Right? Here in this case, we are getting two patterns. In this here, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. It is increasing order. And here it is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, that is in decreasing order. And in this pattern, this one is fixed, that is constant value, and minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, that is in increasing order. You are finding two patterns, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.